am Subha Nishtala, Vice President, Association of Food Scientists and Technologists, Mumbai chapter. I will be explaining the hygienic and sanitary requirements as per the Food Safety Standards Regulation for licensing and registration of food business operators, amendment notified in August 2019. In this module, we will be covering an important part of this regulation. This is a non-negotiable mandate of FSS regulations and must be followed by all licensed FBOs. Now let us understand what the law says about cleaning and sanitation. There are 5 points to remember. Maintain food premises and equipment in an appropriate state of repair and cleanliness. Clean to remove food residue and dirt which may be a source of contamination. Disinfect as and when necessary. Disinfectants should be food grade and used as per the manufacturer's instructions. Clearly define cleaning procedures and methods. There should be a standard operating procedure for cleaning and sanitation. Let us start by understanding the difference between cleaning and sanitation. Cleaning is the removal of soil debris and food residue from the surface, whereas sanitation is the reduction in the microbial population from equipment, utensils and premises. Both are required as per the regulation. Let us see how. So let us now understand the need and importance of the 5 points required by the regulation under cleaning and sanitation. All of us will agree that a facility that does not implement a sound, good cleaning program is at an additional risk of introducing hazards into their food products. These hazards may be in the form of unwanted extraneous matter such as food residue, soil debris, plaster, machine grease, etc. Cleaning is done to remove food residue and dirt which may be sources of contamination. The necessary cleaning materials and methods depend on the nature of the food product. Cleaning is also, of course, an essential pre-step to sanitation as it allows the disinfectant or the sanitizing agent to effectively come in contact with the food product or the food contact surface. Disinfection or sanitation may be needed after cleaning to ensure microbial safety and may be done using different agents such as steam, chlorine, peracetic acid, etc. The regulation further requires that cleaning and disinfection chemicals should be food grade. So what are food grade chemicals? Food grade chemicals are those which do not transfer their components into the food system in quantities sufficient to endanger human health or even impact the composition, taste or texture of the food. How do you make sure that the cleaning chemicals, degreasers, disinfectants are safe for use near your food product? To do so, please ask your suppliers for a certification that the cleaning chemicals are suitable for use in your food industry. Do remember that all cleaning and disinfecting agents are prescribed for use at specific safe concentrations and these must be adhered to. For example, as per US FDA, peracetic acid may be used without a final rinse up to a concentration of 80 ppm. For concentrations higher than 80 ppm, a final rinse with potable water is necessary to ensure food safety. Cleaning can be carried out by separate or a combination of methods. For example, detergent alone would be sufficient in a vegetable processing area to break down dirt and remove the deposits of inorganic minerals. However, a bakery might additionally require the use of non-fuming solvent cleaners to help in degreasing. In dairies, abrasive cleaners such as scrubbers are useful to remove the biofilms that may be formed. Cleaning procedures developed should generally include removal of visible debris from the surface, applying detergent solutions to loosen soil and bacterial film, rinsing with water, hot water where possible to remove the loosened soil and residue of detergents, where use of water adds to the risk of contamination such as in flour mills. Dry cleaning methods such as vacuum or use of compressed gases may be done. Finally, sanitation or disinfection with steam, hot water, chlorine or acids followed by a final rinse. The final rinse should be checked for presence of chemical and sanitizing agent residues to prevent cross-contamination. Cleaning and hygiene chemical suppliers usually market their products in concentrated form. Achieving the required and allowed concentrations can become a challenge in the absence of detailed work instructions or calibrated dosing systems. Underdosing poses a threat of ineffective disinfection, whereas overdosing could add a chemical contaminant into the food. Hygiene supervisors should therefore always ensure that they monitor the allowed limit of the active ingredient in use from the product information sheet and the MSDS. A cleaning and sanitation program should be drawn up, implemented, and relevant records maintained for the same. The cleaning program should ensure that all areas of the facility are appropriately clean and should include the cleaning of cleaning equipment as well. The cleaning program should specify the area and equipment to be cleaned, the responsibility, who is responsible for every particular task, is it QA, hygiene supervisor, shift supervisor, etc. The frequency of cleaning. Does cleaning happen at start and end of every shift, at product changeovers, after breakdown maintenance, etc. The actual method itself of cleaning. The program shall also list down the monitoring plan to check effectiveness of cleaning. Some methods could include use of test strips to check the concentration of detergents and sanitizers, microbial surface swabs, temperature checks for water and chemical solutions, use of timing devices to ensure contact time is maintained. So, in this video, we have covered aspects of cleaning and sanitation of equipment and facilities. Let us again look at some important points. Maintain food premises and equipment in an appropriate state of repair and cleanliness. Clean to remove food residue and dirt which may be a source of contamination. Disinfect as and when required. Disinfectants should be food grade and should be used as per manufacturer's instructions. Clearly define cleaning procedures and methods. And there should be a standard operating procedure for cleaning and sanitation. Thank you for watching this video. We will be back with many such informative and simple videos.